What if I told you that one tropical fruit could support your digestion, boost your immune system, and even help your body break down protein better? Say hello to papaya, your gut's best friend and your brain's quiet cheerleader. In this video, we're diving into the surprising benefits of papaya and why it's more than just a sweet vacation fruit. Especially if you're eating protein-rich meals, this is one food you'll want to keep on your plate. So, what makes papaya healthy? First, it's loaded with vitamin C, which strengthens your immune system and helps your body absorb iron more effectively. It also contains antioxidants like beta-carotene, great for your skin, your eyes, and your brain. These antioxidants protect your cells from damage and support long-term health. Papaya is also high in fiber and low in calories, which makes it a great choice for digestion and feeling satisfied without overeating. But here's where it gets really interesting. Papaya contains a special enzyme called papain. This enzyme helps your body break down protein into smaller building blocks, amino acids, so they can be absorbed and used for muscle repair, hormone production, and other essential functions. In simple terms, if you're eating foods like chicken, fish, beans, or eggs, papaya helps your body digest them more easily and get more out of them. Now you might be wondering, should you eat papaya before, during, or after a protein-rich meal? The answer? All three can help, but eating papaya alongside or right after your meal gives the enzyme the best chance to work with your food. It's like sending in the cleanup crew just when the mess is being made. To get the most out of it, go for fresh, ripe papaya, especially the orange flesh. The less processed, the better. Green papaya has even more active enzymes, though it's less sweet and often used in salads or stews. So next time you're planning a protein-packed meal, consider adding some papaya to your plate. Your stomach and your brain will thank you. And here's a little bonus you might not expect: papaya seeds. Those small black seeds at the center of the fruit are actually edible, though their sharp, peppery taste might surprise you. But don't toss them just yet. These tiny seeds are packed with compounds that can benefit your gut in powerful ways. First, they have antibacterial and antiparasitic properties, thanks to natural compounds like papain and papain. In some traditional cultures, they're used to help fight off harmful bacteria and intestinal parasites. Second, they support digestion, just like the fruit itself, by helping your body break down proteins more effectively. And third, they contain anti-inflammatory compounds that may help calm the digestive system and support overall gut health. You can crush them and sprinkle just a few over a salad or blend them into a dressing. Just keep in mind, papaya seeds are potent, so use them in moderation, and preferably not every day. Smart food, smart choices. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and keep feeding your brain one bite at a time. Thanks for watching.